Usually, when the name of the cell comes, it reminds you of the microscopic units of life. But you will be surprised if I tell you that the largest single-celled organism in the world can reach lengths of up to several centimeters to a few meters. This organism is Caulerpa taxifolia, often referred to as the killer algae. This remarkable alga belongs to the green seaweed family and can be found in various oceans around the world. Branching pattern allows it to form dense underwater meadows, carpeting the seafloor with its green color. While Caulerpa taxifolia's growth rate might seem slow due to its single-cell nature, it can actually cover vast areas in a short period. This rapid growth has led to concerns about its invasive potential. When introduced to new ecosystems, it can outcompete native species, disrupting the delicate balance of marine ecosystems. By the way, I should mention that only 8% of our viewers subscribe, so if you have enjoyed the video thus far, support us by hitting the subscribe button. The story of Caulerpa taxifolia serves as a cautionary tale about the unintended consequences of introducing non-native species. In areas where it has become invasive, it can alter habitat structures, reduce biodiversity, and affect the entire food chain. Understanding its growth mechanisms and spread is crucial for preserving the health of our oceans. Scientists have been closely studying Caulerpa taxifolia's growth patterns and ecological impact to devise effective management strategies. These efforts include techniques like manual removal, the introduction of herbivorous species that feed on the alga, and the development of biological control methods. The microscopic world has many different wonders. If you like this kind of content, you can find interesting videos on our channel. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay curious.